What's up everyone? My name is Tyler and this is Erskine Cuisine. So the new iCarly revival is premiering pretty soon. And I, like most people born in the late 90s, am very excited for the revival. And to help celebrate, I'm going to be showing you how to make the dish made famous by the series, Some Spaghetti Tacos. But we're making them vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Erskine Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. For the actual tacos, you'll need 12 taco shells. So I got 6 soft taco shells and 6 hard taco shells. You'll also need 1 pound of vegan ground beef, 1 jar of spaghetti sauce, about 24 ounces will do, 1 packet of taco seasoning, and 8 ounces of spaghetti noodles. Some optional things I'm going to throw on them is some vegan shredded cheese, as well as some vegan Parmesan, some shredded lettuce, some mushrooms, and some salsa. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking. And here we have our vegan spaghetti tacos. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel. if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.